You've been wanting to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube Shorts, and finally, we have a solution. Well, kind of. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're back, this is the video you've been waiting for. Let's talk about why custom thumbnails are important. Having a custom thumbnail is important because no matter how great your video is, if people aren't clicking on it, they'll never find you. And you'll get lost in the 3.7 million videos that get posted every single day. So how does a custom thumbnail help you? A custom thumbnail is known to improve your CTR or your click-through rate. And your click-through rate is calculated by the number of times a video was clicked over the number of impressions. And if you have a high CTR, the algorithm will show you some love. And not only will the algorithm show your video to more people, you will increase your watch time and you'll get closer to getting monetized. Among other places, your custom thumbnail will show in the homepage and search. And I made a video about this before on how to hack YouTube to have 2 custom thumbnails for your YouTube Shorts. And I was able to do this by forcing YouTube to pick a specific frame at a specific time. And thank you to all of you who flooded the comments letting me know that it worked, and for those of you who also let me know that it didn't. And it wasn't because some of you didn't follow the steps. It was because the YouTube algorithm kept changing the thumbnail even after we made the change. So yes, it was inconsistent and sometimes hard to do. And I'm happy to announce that finally we have a solution. And yes, we can have a custom thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts. Well, kind of. Drum roll, please. Let me show you how to do this step by step. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the YouTube app, upload a video, choose the video that you want. I'm gonna choose this one here. Now let's say that this is the actual video that I want to post. To add your custom thumbnail, click on the icon here on the top left corner as you see the little pencil. Click on it. Then notice how you now have this selection tool where I can just drag it and just pick what I want. So in this case, I'm going to drag it to the book. And voila, this is my new thumbnail for this YouTube short. And finish by titling the video, clicking upload short, and you're all set. That's how simple it is now to create a custom thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts. And the reason why I say kind of is because YouTube still doesn't allow me to upload my own custom thumbnail. I have to select off of the frames from the video. Please, YouTube, figure this out. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so the YouTube Shorts algorithm gods continue to show this video to more people amazing just like you. Smash that subscribe button like it was just a piñata. See you on the next one.